Hello guys, this is Eleftheria Barbagianni from Eleftheria Business PR. Welcome back, I hope you're well. In today's video we give you the best app for content social media management. First of all, you know that it's good to have app for you to schedule your content up to the social media, because you schedule it at the right time and it helps you with engagement, it helps you with your traffic, it helps you with your feed, because also with the algorithms of the social media, because you need to post at the right time when your audience are online in order to, get a lot of engagement, a lot of traffic, and to get a lot of eyes into your content. We can say that the best apps at the moment is like Mojo app, Boomerang, Canva. We can have a look through all of them. We can start from Tailwind. For example, you can use Tailwind for Instagram, you can use Tailwind for Facebook, you can use Tailwind for Pinterest. And don't be you have to be honest that of course you get usable blog post ideas, etc., and emails, but we are focusing on social media, and you can schedule all your videos, you get your hashtags, you get a lot of engagement, but it also, it will give you a lot of ideas as well inside the feed. You schedule at the right time, so you're not going to have any problems. For example, when to post or what to post. You get all your content ready and you don't have to worry. Then you have Boomerang. Boomerang is an app that is free. You can use it for Instagram. You can create animated stories. I'm not quite sure about the paid version. You can have a look through. You can create stories for Instagram. You can use it for Facebook, I think, as well. So you can make a lot of stories and you can use it to schedule your content. Then we have the Mojo app. And again, you can use it for Instagram and Facebook. And don't forget that the Mojo app, you can create a lot of videos, short videos for YouTube, but even for Instagram. You can edit your videos. You can create beautiful videos in Mojo because you have a lot of templates. You can use it again for Facebook, and you can schedule it at the right time and you can get a lot of engagement. Remember that you can try it and see what is working for you. Again, what is easy for you, because I don't want to waste time like all settings with a lot of text. So I just want something simple. So make sure you choose the right app that meet your needs and what content you're creating, what you put out there. Boomerang, also we mentioned Canva. Canva is one of our favorites because you can create again video pins and videos for Instagram as well. You can create all of your content. It's not a scheduler. You cannot use it to schedule stuff, but you can use it to create all of your content in there for Twitter, for Instagram, for Facebook, and it's really easy. And you can create again videos for stories as well. You can get a lot of templates and you can edit the templates. The other thing you can do is Buffer. It's very affordable for Twitter. It's my favorite. For Facebook, for YouTube, all of your social media channels you can connect it with Buffer, and it's really good because you can schedule it to post the right time. Again, you increase your engagement, increase your traffic, your audience can see your post at the right time, posting the right time, the right day. You have everything on Buffer. So you can try Buffer as well. That is free for a couple of days, and then you have the paid plan. So check all of those out because they kind of make your life easier. And of course there are much others that we will look up for those in another videos. Don't forget to like this video. Tell us which one you use below. Comment below if you need any help, and have a great day.